let's take a look at Chapter 8 with Google Earth Pro and geocoding. So to get the data loaded into the lab, I have opened Google Earth Pro. I have searched for Virginia Beach like it says in the textbook. And on section 8.2, page 322, and it asks in question 1, open the CSV file using Microsoft Excel to look at the libraries, which we can do, and then close it. Go to Google Earth Pro, type Virginia Beach. From the file pull-down menu, you are going to import, select import, and then highlight that CSV file. And this is where you get to your data import wizard. I would make sure that you expand your window as much as possible so you can see everything. So you make sure that you have checked delimited, that you have checked comma. You can leave this encoding. It doesn't say systems anymore, it says ETF. We can check to make sure it previews correctly. And then it says to click next. And then in the second data set does not contain latitude and longitude information, but street address. We're going to make sure that's checked. And then click next. And on the third screen, we want to make sure that addresses are broken into multiple fields is checked. And we change, in this screen that we're changing our fields to, the ones that are marked as NA, change it to city. We want to change the postal field to zip, and we'll leave the country field as it is. And we want to make sure the integer is selected for zip. So we'll click next. Yep, so we'll see string. I'm on step 10. String type is selected for each of the first 4, and then integer is selected for zip code. Then we can click finish. And then it will ask the question, do you want to apply a style template to the feature you ingested? You will click yes. Then we will go to, what do we want to do? Create a new template. We want to set the style template settings. We'll click on name. We'll set the name field to name. From the pull-down menu, next to set name field, we did that, choose name. We'll click on the color tab, and we can change the color as you want to. So we could pick yellow if we wanted. We can just click on the icon, click a yellow push pin or whatever you wanted to use. And in the height tab, we are going to select clamp to ground, and then we can click OK. It'll be prompted to save. We'll save it as Chapter 8 style. And click save. And then it will place our points. So one thing to be aware of, oops, gotta go down to the bottom. You may have to expand and then expand again, and make sure you check the on button to see all of our features. And then you can move on to your shortest route section.